All right, thanks so much, Corey. We're going to switch gears here, and we're joined once again with Greg Remmenga, and for some more free legal advice. Today we're going to be talking about, as you worded it, the theory of an accident lawsuit. Can you kind of explain what that means?
Well, lawsuit was designed and is intended to compensate somebody for what you've lost as a result of somebody else's carelessness. I get comments all the time and concerns about they're sorry they have to do that. They really don't want to. They're not the type of people that would file a lawsuit. Yeah. But I think that's because we've been conditioned to think that filing a lawsuit is somewhat evil, or that we're trying to get something that we're not entitled to. If you're in an accident because of somebody else's carelessness, you've lost something. You had a certain health that you had a certain lifestyle, you had this many medical bills, you had this much pain, you had a certain lifestyle, and you were a certain condition. Because of the accident, you've lost things. You can no longer do the things that you enjoyed. You may have medical bills you didn't have. You couldn't go to work, and so you have those bills piling up. You may just be in pain that you weren't before. All of those things have some value. On the other side, we have an insurance company that is going to say all of those things that you've suffered are worth nothing. Okay. So the lawsuit is designed for you to argue what you've lost and try to convince a jury or the insurance company that here is what the value is for what you've lost. It's not that you're seeking something extra. It's not that you're trying to get a bonus. You had something, you've lost it, you want compensated for it.
It's what you're owed, basically, is what it comes down to.
Right.
Have you come across people that are so afraid of the connotation of, I guess, filing a lawsuit that they just haven't done it? Or do you know of? Or?
That happens all the time. Wow. People come in and say, I was injured 4 years ago. I didn't file a lawsuit, and I knew I lost my time because I was afraid of how I would appear if I made a claim. I'm afraid I would feel guilty or greedy or trying to get something I didn't want to, so I didn't get compensated. And now I have $10,000 worth of medical bills I can't pay. Right. I now have all this pain I have to live with. It's not about getting a bonus.
It's about getting what you're owed and the damages to get those reprimanded.
Right, and what you've lost. Right. Compensated for what you've lost.
Okay, absolutely. All right, Greg, thanks for that info. If you have any questions for Greg, you can feel free to give him a call there at 970-263-4734.